Mr. Tyler. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to BPV Outdoors. On today's episode, we are on Rainy Lake. We load up 2 boats and we'll be here this weekend. We'll try to see if we can find some walleyes here. Plan is to scout some of the lakes that we have interest in. We've been doing a lot of planning where we would fish on the lake here, looking at different contours and things like that. And our method today would also be fishing with slip bobbers and some drop shots. But it is a nice morning. We have the sun coming up in the background here, and some light wind, perfect for slip bobbing, as you can see. So stay tuned, and we'll see what we can do. No, he's hot. He's hot. He's hot. I don't have no. You don't have. He's still down there.
No. I just want to look.
He's hot. He's big too. He's not small. Oh, he took it. I can't with this guy. Middle quick. Got him this time? Third time's a charm. You got him for sure. Yes. He bit 3 times. He's not small, dude. He ain't small. He ain't small. Told ya. He ain't small. Oh, yeah. 19 and a half. A little over. Gotta be 18 and under. Alright, the release, guys. There you go. Woo. Nice. Oh, big one too. He came up quick. He just like savaged it. Might be a pike, I don't know. Yeah, it's a pike.
Are we keeping that?
Oh. It's mine. It's a hefty.
Oh, it's a big sauger.
Big sauger. Got it. Oh, look, see? It just hooks it like that, and that's why they get off.
That's where I was getting all my fish this.
Big sauger. Look at that.
Don't want to close the light one.
Yeah, it's stuck on that. Yes, sir. Like a middle. Maybe. Right there.
19 and a quarter. Or, yep.
Yep. Right there.
Going back.
Yeah, keeper.
Oh, there's another one down there. Gee, reel up a little bit. Reel up a little bit. Look, take it. Right there, right there. Jig it right there. Jig it right there. You gonna get one.
Pound it on the spot. Pound it on the spot.
You gonna get one. Oh, dude, he's interested. Look, one. Dude, you're right. You're right.
Bro, this is still. He's still there. He's still there. He's still there. He's coming around. He's just hanging out under you. Whoa! Whoa! Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Yeah! Nice.
Got him. There's your moment. Small?
Yeah!
Geez, on yours.
Maybe.
What's the biggest one we caught all day? Let it go.
There it is.
Big?
Oh god, the freaking tiny one ate it, not the big one. Ooh, right there, right there. Oh, is that a pike? Was that?
What?
Hold on.
So intense.
Me and Jay your minnow's gone.
No, still there.
That's the IKEA.
Bro, how you go off like that and miss that badly? you saw it right as soon as he went. I didn't see it fall anymore.
Coming down? Maybe. Get the net! Get the net! Right here!
He swallowed this one.
Yeah? Was it worth all the pounding to get here?
Yes.
That's cool. Man, we had on purpose. Oh, you just moved it. I said, calm it down.
I'm still organizing these rods. Quick!
Come on, go! Got him! Woo! Munchie, yeah!
Whoa! Hey!
Munchie, yeah! It's too small. I don't need my jaw. There you go. I'll be full tip.
You know why they're not catching any?
That's right.
It's because they left us at the gas station.
Yay, me. I know you.
Another one.
Another one?
Yeah.
But you're blocking my camera though.
Blocking the camera, dude. Munchie, yeah!
I'll lose him. Oh, I hear the drag.
Ooh, it's the 32 incher, man.
Oh, it's your 32 incher. It's your 32 incher, dude. Oh! Look at that!
Oh shit!
Look at that, man! That's a keep. Alright, there's the man and the kid.
No, 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 no. Got it. Where's the net? Where's the net? Is that the pipe?
And we thought it was a pike. We thought it was a pike. Alright, this is 18 inches, which means we cannot keep, so we're gonna have to let it go. We can only keep under 18 in this lake. So it's a beautiful golden walleye here.
Flash though. Really can.
Oh, okay. Good. Every time I see your bobber goes down, then I see the fish. No one? Good one. Good one.
I told you as soon as I jumped out, you got hit
My
by
little cast.
right here.
Alright guys, BPV here. We've been out here on Rainy Lake trying to find walleyes. All we found were little small walleyes, and we caught a couple of decent sized ones, but mostly it's a very small, maybe 10-11 inch walleyes that we caught here. But I think the scenery and the beauty of this lake makes up for it. So we're done, and we're heading out. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy watching it, please like, share, and subscribe to the video so we can make more content. On to a different lake. BPV out.
That's what we get when we come to Rainy for big fish.